Okay, today I'm going to be recording the instructions for Dreamweaver Chapter 3, Lab 1, which is on pages 190 to 193 in your textbook. You can see a finished example on page 192 in your textbook. Today we're going to be adding to the Healthy Lifestyle website we created in Chapter 2. So we're going to start out, this is important, by going to your files. You need to navigate to your personal drive, open up your Web Design 2 folder, and then go into your Chapter 3 folder. In Chapter 3, you need to open up Lab 1, that's the Healthy Lifestyle website, and there's an images and nutrition document already saved for you. You need to select these and then copy them and paste them in your Healthy Lifestyle Lab 1 folder that you created. So find your Web Design 2 Healthy Lifestyle Lab 1 folder and then paste. Now you should have a CSS folder, a templates folder, an index.html, and these two new items. If you don't have all of these, call me over at this point. Okay, now I'm ready to get started. I'm going to open up Dreamweaver. And then we are going to be creating some new pages for our website. You're going to do this by going to Create New and then More. We want a page from template. We're going to use our lifestyle template in the Healthy Lifestyle site and hit Create. We've already created our index, that's the home page. Now we want to create a nutrition, exercise, habits, and sign up page. You do that by going to File, Save As. Make sure you're in your Healthy Lifestyle website. And we are going to call this page nutrition.html. And then save. You can close out of that page. We are going to repeat the process. Create new, go to more. We want a page from template, the Healthy Lifestyle template, create. We want to do File, Save As, and call this exercise.html, and then save. I'm going to close that page, create new, more, page from template, lifestyle template, create, file, save as. I want the habits.html and save. Then close this page and one more time. This will be the sign up page. File, save as. I'm going to call it signup.html and save. I will close out of sign up. Now you'll see under your Healthy Lifestyle site all the pages you need for this website. Now I'm going to open up my template that I created in Chapter 2 and make some changes. So File, Open. In your Templates folder, open up your Lifestyle template. Okay, this is what all our pages are based on. We need to make some links. We learned in Chapter 3 how to make links to our pages. So you're going to select the word home. Under Properties, I want to make sure you're in the HTML properties. We want to use the point to file button and point to our index. That's the same as the home page. And release. It should make an underlined link now. Select the word nutrition. Use the point to file, drag, and release after you're pointing at the word nutrition. that easy to make a link. Repeat the process for exercise. Point to exercise.html. And the same for habits and sign up. If you accidentally point to the wrong thing, you can either use the undo button or you could just select the text and backspace to delete it out. Okay, with all your links created, we are going to change some rules so that our page looks a little bit different. Under all rules, over now in my CSS style sheet, click on all rules. These were the rules we created in the chapter 2. We want to edit some of these rules. So double click on header. So you open up your header rules that were created. We want to change some things. If it's too hard to follow me in the video, you can go to page 191 to see what I'm doing. Under type, I'm going to change the color to hashtag C30 and then apply. For the background color, I'm going to go to background and then remove this background color. Then click apply. For the block category, I'm going to make my text align centered and then apply. For the box category, I'm going to remove this value for height. I'm going to go to my top padding. I want my top padding to be 20, my bottom padding to be 20, and then apply. And OK. Next, I want to change some of my navigation formatting. So I'm going to double click here on navigation. If you don't make these changes, the website will look the same as it did. We want to change how it looks. In the category background, we're going to remove this background color and instead add a background image. Our background image is saved in that images folder. So browse and open up your healthy lifestyle images folder. We want to use the navigation background. You can see a preview of it over here and click OK or double click. I'm going to hit apply. And then I'm going to go to my box category. For the height, I'm going to remove this value here and apply. For my border category, I want to make some changes. Under style, I'm going to uncheck same for all. I want to make my top style dotted. I want my right style as none. My bottom style as dotted. My left style as none. For the width, uncheck same for all. I want the top to be medium. Right, I'm going to make it none or value. Bottom as medium. Left, I'm going to remove it by putting value. Color, uncheck same for all. I want to make my top color hashtag 630. My right color, I'm going to remove this value. Bottom color, hashtag 630. And then apply. Oops, I have to change these to value. So I'm going to make that, I'm going to backspace to remove it. Backspace and remove it. Oop, made a mistake there. Now apply. And then I'm going to go to, oh, you know what? That's all for my navigation. So I'm going to click OK. Now I want to change my footer. So I'm going to click on footer. You can either double click or you can go to this little pencil for edit rule. For the border, we are going to change this. We want the border to be a top width of thin. A top style of solid. And a top color of hashtag 333. Oh, it looks like these are all going to be the same. So I'm going to leave that and click OK. Oh, you know what? We should, yeah, just click OK here. And then the last thing we are going to do is to change the name at the bottom. So on your template, change the website design by and type in your name here. Make that bold so you see that. And finally, we want to change how these links look. Right now, they're the default blue, which doesn't really match our website anymore. So you're going to go into Properties. And then down here in Page Properties, click Page Properties. We want to change our links CSS. For the links CSS, we want the link color to be hashtag C30. We want our rollover links to be hashtag 690. Visited links will be hashtag C30. And show underline on rollover only. Then click apply and OK. You can see how your link colors changed. Now they match your heading text. Now I'm going to hit save all here on my toolbar. It's going to change all my pages, so update those. Then you can close out of this. Now I'm going to close my template. I want to open up my index, so I'm going to do that over here under my local files. Double click to open my index. We're going to be adding a picture to the bottom of this page. So put your cursor right after the exclamation point in there. Hit enter. And now we're going to use our insert menu to insert an image. In your images folder, find your home image. It looks like a bunch of apples, and hit OK. Alternate text will read home image. And then OK. You can see your picture pop up. Save those changes. And then you can close out of your index. Now open up nutrition.html. Here we want to add a little bit of text and a picture. So where it says insert content here, backspace that text, get rid of that generic text. Open up your nutrition text file under local files, the nutrition text file. Select all that text starting at the bottom. Go to edit, copy. Now go back to nutrition.html and right click or go to edit, paste. We also want a picture, so hit enter after the word portions. We want to insert an image. We want the nutrition image. It's a bunch of vegetables. Double click. We're going to call this nutrition image. And OK. Notice your picture pop up. If you want to center your picture, you're going to click on it. Make sure it has the sizing handles around it. Go to Format, Align, and Center. Now you're going to save those changes. Let's take a look at this page in Internet Explorer or Chrome. So preview. All right, when your picture pops up, oh, you'll see that this line is through the picture, so that's something we don't want. If it's like that on yours, we can change that. Right now, notice your rollover links are underlined in green. You can click on your pages. So far, all we've created is home and nutrition. I'm going to close that out. And I'm going to hit enter after my picture. And file save. Okay, that's all to web design chapter 3, lab 1. You are done.